Welcome back. So today, I'm going to take a piece of heavy poster board, 1/4-20, and some bolts, a little piece of really cheap plywood, cell phone holder, and I'm going to turn it into this right here. Now, it looks simple and it doesn't look the best. I'm not really going for aesthetics. I carved this out just a little bit to make it look a little bit better. But the idea is these strips, which get thinner as they go out, will be able to conform to the dashboard of my car so I can make vlogs and answer your questions. There's a little, this little lever here, acts as a securing bolt against the camera mount. Well, let me show you how it's done. Now, the most important thing is the 1/4-20 bolt. That is the standard connector for all camera equipment. I have several cell phone mounts, several GoPro mounts and everything, and it's all 1/4-20 coarse thread bolts. Works nice and easy, and it's universal across a bunch of different, all these different devices. So anytime you want to build something that's going to accept a camera or a camera accessory, you're going to need 1/4-20 bolts. They're 10 cents a piece at any local hardware store. Next thing, and this is more of an experiment for me, I'm not sure how well it will work or not, is just a piece of rectangular plywood. This is just, something cheap, but it's going to act as a lever. It's going to be glued to one of these nuts. And the bulk of everything is going to be this medium weight poster board. The bulk of everything is going to be this medium weight poster board. I'm going to cut a couple thicknesses of this, glue them together, get holes in them to accept the bolts, and then a little bit more to make up for the thickness of the bolt head so I can use it as a stand. I know this isn't the best construction, it's not pretty, it doesn't have to be. Other than this video, you will never see this. You will just be looking at me like you are now, through a camera mount. The phone I use is my camera. Cool thing about 1/4-20 bolts is they work with every type of camera. Every standard camera mount is a 1/4-20 bolt. I mean, you can do so many things with this. It's such a great idea, because this now, if I upgrade to a better camera, if I want to use my GoPro for whatever reason, it'll work. It's simple, but it's designed to be simple for a reason. The idea of doing this project here is to introduce a new thing I want to do with you guys. I want to start answering your questions. One question a day on my way to work. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to call it right this second. However, start leaving questions. If each of my subscribers leaves one question, I'll have a whole year's worth of content. There's 301 of you guys. Ask a question. Doesn't matter what the question is, and I'll answer it as truthfully as I can. Try to stay away from things that are a little too personal. Try to stay away from religion for the most part, and politics, because those are never fun topics to really get into. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I hope even a project as simple as this has earned your subscription. So, thanks for watching, and thank you for helping make this world better, one kerf at a time, and I'll see you next week.